Okay, there it is. All 6 of those bad boys are wired in. You can see it's incredibly bright in here. And again, my favorite part is they don't get that hot. So it's just 240 LED of nothing but brightness. We have them right here on a switch. As you can see, I purposely did 2 here so we can watch the TV, and then obviously pitch black without it. Good. So as these were being installed, a friend of mine saw them. That friend is the owner of Raw Automotive. He's actually ordering the same UFO style lights. As you can see, man, they're phenomenal. There's not a dull spot in the garage. I can literally work just about any corner, which that was the whole point, because currently we're working on these side-by-sides. But as you can see, I have the truck taken apart. And over here, this truck needs an engine, so we used all the square footage of the garage. These UFO style lights are unbelievable. I couldn't be happier with it. If you'd like your own or other lighting products, check the link in the description. Check the link in the description and tell them YFT sent you for your own discount at that.